MrBeast has a net worth of $500 million, and he hopes to double it. Forbes estimates MrBeast rakes in more than $54 million annually. But not all of those earnings come from his MrBeast YouTube channel. James Stephen Jimmy Donaldson, born May 7, 1998, better known by his online alias MrBeast, is an American YouTuber, online personality, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He is known for his fast-paced and high-production videos, which feature elaborate challenges and large giveaways. Who is MrBeast and why is he rich? YouTube influencer MrBeast, née Jimmy Donaldson. Jimmy Donaldson aka MrBeast, the YouTuber with 247 million subscribers and multiple businesses that bring in between $500 million to $700 million in revenue, isn't going beast mode with his money, he said. 16 Fever. He began posting videos to YouTube in early 2012, at the age of 13, under the handle MrBeast6000. His early content ranged from Let's Plays to videos estimating the wealth of other YouTubers. He went viral in 2017 after his Counting to 100,000 Inches video earned tens of thousands of views in just a few days. And he has become increasingly popular ever since, with most of his videos gaining tens of millions of views. His videos became increasingly grand and extravagant once his channel took off. Donaldson hired some of his childhood friends to co-run the brand. As of 2023, the MrBeast team is made up of over 250 people, including Donaldson himself. Other than MrBeast, Donaldson runs the YouTube channels Beast Reacts, MrBeast Gaming, formerly MrBeast Shorts, 18, and the philanthropy channel Beast Philanthropy.